Hey Bon Bakers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and today we're going to be making sticky date pudding in a mug. Oh my god, yum! This recipe I feel like is one of those life hacks. You can literally whip it up in no time at all and you'll be eating it in minutes. It's also great for individual portions, so if you're sitting on the couch and you feel like something sweet, well, I've got something for you. Go grab yourself your largest and favorite microwavable mug and I'll take you through the ingredients next. We've got some whisked egg, we've got some chopped dates, and I've just got a couple here for the top. We've got some butter. Over here is some bicarb soda, some ground ginger, and also some ground cinnamon. We've got some maple syrup, some brown sugar, water, and then self-raising flour. To serve, you'll also need some caramel and some dollop cream. For the caramel, you can buy this pre-made from the grocery store, or if you'd like to make it yourself, I do have a video up on YouTube for you. Make sure you check it out. It's the easiest and fastest way to make caramel. For the quantities in the description box below, I'll leave it for individual portions, double portions, and quad portions. First thing to do is lightly grease your mug with a little bit of butter. So I'm just going to go and put this around the sides, make it nice and greasy. And that's pretty good. And then we can start to add our butter, our dates, and our water. Now you can microwave on high for 1 minute. Yum, this looks awesome. I'll show you what this looks like, but the butter is all melted and the dates look like they're starting to soften. They've expanded a little bit. So now it's time to add our bicarb soda and our spices. So pour those in and give it a stir. And that's going to start to foam with the bicarb. Perfect. And we want to leave this aside for 2 minutes. While it starts to cool a little bit. It already starts to smell like sticky date pudding. Once it's come out of the microwave, it is quite hot. So just set it aside and let it cool for a few minutes because soon we're going to be adding our egg and we don't want to cook that like scrambled. Next up, we can add our flour, sugar, maple, and egg, give it a stir, and then it's ready to microwave. Look at this little beauty. It's all caramel and golden. I could almost eat it like this. Yum. Okay, so back in the microwave we go. Woohoo! Check this out. So I microwaved mine on high for 2 minutes, but just check yours out as you go. Do it in 1 minute increments. And you know it's ready when you press on the top and it lightly bounces back. I have melted down my caramel and it's ready to go on top of my pudding. It's time to finish this thing off because I am hungry and I'm ready to eat this pudding. So just drizzle it all on top. Add your dollop cream. Beautiful. And then last but not least, our dates. Let's eat it, my Bon Bakers. Are you ready to see what this looks like? Oh yeah, look at this. So good. You got the fluffy pudding base that we just made in the microwave in minutes, and then the caramel and cream on top. Yum. Unbelievable. As I said, such a life hack. Enjoy. Thank you so much for baking with me today. It was really fun to have you in the kitchen. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for Bon Baker. I'll see you next week. Sitting on the couch and just have a hankering. Sorry, get rid of it.